Welcome back. It's your boy Plasma Tech, and I'm here with another lesson today. Today we'll be talking about decentralized search engines and decentralized browsers and how they can make you a ton of money. So let's get into it. Presearch, the website slash decentralized search engine that I'm on right now, allows users to earn income just by searching terms as they would do on Google. But that's not it, y'all. It allows you to stake pre-tokens against search terms of your choice. And by doing this, you can earn free or low-cost ad space in a decentralized manner. The staker with the most amount of allocated to a search term, their ad will show up first in the search results. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I buy pre? Well, pre is located on the marketplace, which is located directly on the website. So as you see, if I go up here and I hover over my pre amount, it says buy pre. So let's go on and see how we can buy that. I'm going right here to the marketplace. Boom. Now you have a couple options with buying pre. You can buy with Bitcoin, you can buy with Ethereum, and also you can purchase it with USD via wire transfer or Visa credit card, debit card, and EMT. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what EMT is, but I'm pretty sure it's not that much different from these other two options. Let's go back to searching. So right now I'll show y'all a quick example of me searching something, and I earn, and you'll see this number up top go up by 0.10. So let's just say I want to search Bluezell. Let's search Bluezell. This is another crypto that many people overlook, by the way. So as you see, I searched Bluezell, but the number at the top didn't change. That's because you have to actually click on the link first. Okay, click on the link, you see Bluezell, boom. It's about 10 cents. But when I came back, see, went up by 0.10. So let's just say you didn't have no job and you really wanted to just keep searching. Well, you can. There's no limit on how much you can search. You can search all day till your fingers hurt. But there is a minimum to withdraw to another wallet, and that's 1,000 Presearch tokens. The token symbol for pre is PRE. Let me go on and show y'all so y'all can see. Boom. Current price 9 cents, even higher than from when I last checked. So if they're paying you 0.10 every time you search, it takes you 10 searches to obtain one pre. 9 cents. I can let you do the math. I'm not gonna do the math for you, but if you sit here all day, you can make some pretty decent money. But that's besides the point. There's a lot more to Presearch than just searching and staking. So if you want to drive traffic to a specific if you want to drive traffic to a specific search term, you can use techniques such as affiliate marketing to drive more traffic and increase your streams of income while driving traffic, because you will be doing that anyway. But with Presearch, it's decentralized. They give you a fair chance to pop up in the search results, and you can incorporate any of your favorite affiliate programs. They recently partnered with Decentr, which is a decentralized browser similar to Brave right here. I'm currently on Brave. And let me just go over to Decentr. Decentr, they pay you out in their native token, DEC. So just like DEC is a native token to Decentr, Pre is a native token to Presearch. So we go over here and we trying to figure out, well, how can I earn on here? You told me how I can earn on Presearch. Well, you see all these posts, the engagement and liking the comments on these posts they increase your PDV. Your PDV is then translated into DEC, which is a native token. Now they only pay out once a month, but if you'll see this number continue to increase. Like it says, I increased 23.24% in the last 24 hours. I literally only made one post. Now, if you on here and you're probably making 10, 15 posts a day, getting a lot of engagement, you can make it, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of change. And all this is passive. This is stuff you would do anyway. You would search, you would make posts. I mean, if you're a business entrepreneur, you buy ads. So this is pretty great. I mean, I never heard of anything like this before. I don't think you have. If you have, please share below in the comments. I think that's about it. I think I covered everything. You know, security first, always. You know, with these browsers and search engines, they give you seed phrases to protect, you know what I'm saying, because you have a wallet attached. Like they're not going to end this application forever. Like once I hit 1,000, I will withdraw or I will start staking. There's different strategies, so it's not one way to do this. There's different strategies and people can be more successful than others. It's all about how you play it. But I hope you take this information and you utilize it to your own benefit, and I'll see you in the next video.
Through the flow, get some dough, run on racks up, yeah, through the flow and get some dough. Oh, 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 oh.